Hey, this is Josh again with another truck of the week. April 1st, I got a good one for you. You got to check out this unit right here. This thing is a 2026 Imperial block truck. This thing is 4,000 gallons of fun here for all you and your kids. Wonderful polycarbonate engine. Beautiful see-through viewing compartment. Has work lights on the front. Nothing on the back though. You don't need them back there. And man, this thing is a unit. Let me tell you. Look at the wheels on this thing. You can't buy those. Well, maybe you can. I don't know. Man, if you want a unit just like this, you have to like, comment, and subscribe. And your first 10 comments will get you one of these beautiful 4,000 miles per gallon trucks.